Okay. I don't trust any of the devices anymore. Okay, so you see what I'm putting in. Okay? Yet, now this is a 110 light bulb. And you see, I'm only putting out 100 milliamps, but that's giving off more heat than 100 milliamps. Um, and the voltage, you, if you start it off, it cogs. But unless it's a battery or a motor or something. But resistance loads tend to bog it down. Oh, my point is, it's very dangerous. I've had this LED, it's a 70 watt, 12 volt LED for like 5 years. Burned it up. It's no longer useful. Be careful. Don't trust anything.